Let's look at some GTOs. We have a 1965 Tri-Power Triple Black convertible. We have a 1966 Pontiac GTO. Beautiful. We have a 66, another 66 Pontiac GTO. Moving on, we have a 1967 Pontiac GTO. Beautiful. Then we go to a 1968 Pontiac GTO. Beautiful, beautiful car. Then we have 1969 Pontiac GTO. Beautiful example. Moving forward to a 1970 Pontiac GTO. Ram Air. The Judge. Another 1970 Pontiac GTO. Moving forward to a 1971 Pontiac GTO convertible. Beautiful color, interesting color interior and convertible. Check this one out. Another 1971, another interesting color. Another 1972 Pontiac GTO. Yep. And 1973 Pontiac GTO. Beautiful color. 1974 Pontiac GTO. Another beautiful car.
Just because it didn't look like it.
Last but not least, the modern interpretation of the GTO. GTO. These cars drive wonderfully, I don't care what you say. 74 GTO, that concludes our GTOs. Corvette Dan on YouTube, CorvetteDan.com. Check it out.